Hey, Algebra 1, Catlin here with your cool down for the day. Just going over it for you really quick. Nice thing for you on the cool down is that I already organized all this data about this large school system that summarizes their 51, the teachers at 51 different schools in that area. So we've got everything already done for you. Your 5 number summary is right here, and you got your frequency breakdown over here. So all you had to do is build the graph and then answer the question. So I'll kind of walk you through that. If you were having trouble with it, you can follow along here. We'll start with the box plot, which needs your 5 number summary. You got your minimum over here at 20, your max at 110, which would be there. Your median in the middle there, there's 70, so 65 is going to be right here. 40 is your Q1, so we'll put that there. And your third quartile, 95. Here's 90, and 95 would be there. There you go. And then your box would extend from Q1 to Q3, like so. And then extend your whiskers out to the edge. All right, so we've got our box plot finished. And then the next step is going to be doing our histogram, which some of us are struggling with the intervals a little bit, but the intervals have already been made up for us, so that's nice. So let's go down here to the bottom. From 20 to 30, we have 5. So we're not going to start until right here. 20 to 30 is this interval right here. And it says that we have 5. So we're going to put a mark there for 20 to 30. And then 30 to 40 is 7. So 30 to 40 is 7. So I'm going to put my mark there. And then let's see, the next one is 40 to 50. It's 5. 40 to 50 is 5, which would be right there. 50 to 60. 50 to 60 is 6. So we got a line there. 70 to 80 is 4. 70 to 80 is 4. 80 to 90 is 2. 80 to 90, 2 in that interval. 90 to 100 is 7. So that one's going to be a little taller. And then 100 to 110 will be here. That's 8. That's a really large one. And then lastly, 1. So I like to go through and do all my marks like that, and then I can come back and I can, create my bars. So I'm gonna try to do that fairly quickly. I know that takes some time. I don't want to make a really long video making a bunch of lines. So it's not going to be the prettiest. Did I miss my 60 to 70 number? I think I might have. 60 to 70 was 6. No, I've got that on there. And 50, okay, they were both 6. So sorry, I missed that one. There's our histogram showing our shape of our data of the teachers. Okay. And then it says, which of these data displays most easily shows how many schools have at least 100 teachers per school? Well, this one right here, when you look at 100, you're not really getting much information other than the fact that it's the fourth quarter of the data. When you look at this one at 100, which is right here, everything to the side, to the right of that, every bar that's in that little window I just drew represents the ones that have at least 100. So all I really have to do is just add these two bars together. 8 plus 1, 9. There's 9 of these schools that are doing that, so that have at least 100 teachers. This is really the only one that's going to be able to do that for you. So which of the data displays? Well, the histogram does. The histogram easily shows how many have at least 100. The other one won't even be able to do that for you. And your reasoning that you could have there, and I'm not going to write this down because I don't have a lot of space and it takes a long time to write, but you can write this yourself. I'll just talk about it. You can easily just add the two bars that are greater than 100, the sum of their totals, something along those lines, to find out how many have at least 100 teachers per school. And that's your help video for today. Hope you guys have a good one.